Our Skycoaster video system enables Skycoaster operators all over the world to deliver engaging, entertaining, but most importantly, personal videos to their customers from their experiences. We at JoyTech will handle all things throughout the installation and the operation. We will install the cameras, ensure that the system is running properly, and also ensure that you have enough ID tags at all times throughout the operation. All Skycoasters all over the world are quite similar, but the environments are not. We have made our system so that it can handle a large variety of camera angles, all in order to, in the best way, capture the experience for the customers. When the customers have finished their Skycoaster experience and they are on their way to the next attraction or on their way home, they can easily see their video just by picking up their phone, scanning the QR code on the card, and it will show. Now they can store their video on their phone for all eternity, and they can also share it with their friends and family.